So my air fryer came today. It is huge, about the size of a microwave. Didn't expect it to be this big. I cooked some frozen food in it, you know. Came out really nice and crispy. There was such a big difference. This is my first air fryer. I've been doing research for a long time on which one I wanted to buy. A nice size one for, you know, family size meals. It came with a cookbook and basic, you know, you know, how to cook, you know, certain things about your pans, which rack to put them on, what else? Tips and tricks. These are recipes, you know, when you want to put multiple things in there at once. Like you got your the meat, veggies, and then you got the temperature. You can cook them on in here. I really haven't looked at the recipes, but I will, because I'm definitely going to do another review in about 6 months. It explains a lot. This sticker, this is a sticker. It was on the box that these pans came in. Also, I love the light. I like to watch my food cook. Okay. It is so simple to use. I was worried about that, but you can just, let me see if I remember. You can select by pushing this button, the functions button. You can select how you want to cook your food. You know, what do you want to cook? And then the automatic, it'll suggest the time and temperature automatically, but you can adjust it. Okay? So, but yes, I absolutely, I turned it on. Wait a minute. Okay. So, yeah, you get your frying pan. You get 2 of these. What do I mean? What are these called? Oh, shoot. I forgot what this is called. And then you have this. They give you this. And this comes in also. It's to catch grease, food, you know, crumbs and stuff. Let's see. But with all these functions, I will not need this guy anymore. So, yes, I'm excited. In 6 months, I will be doing another review on it. Hope this helps. Bye.
So you can hear how loud this is, right? It's not really that loud. It's about the same sound or a little bit less than a microwave does, a conventional microwave. Right now I'm doing the setup for the roast. So it says to wash all the utensils. I mean, where's the light button? Well, it says to wash, there it goes. To wash all the pans and everything, soak them for 20 minutes in the soapy water, then rinse and dry them out, rinse them, put them back in, and do the roast function for 20 minutes. So I'm going already for a few minutes. So 8:50 I mean to go, and it's done. So I cleaned everything. It says to make sure to read the instructions first for the first time and run it for 20 minutes. So basically things to get all the smells out and odors of it out. So meaning all the plasticky smells you're gonna get from the fans and everything because it's brand new. It's really good. It's in a weird position right now, but it's working fine. It says to not put on top of your stove. That's originally where I was gonna put it at. But it says do not put on top any gas or convection or electric stoves. But I was gonna put a piece of wood on top of that, but it says do not to at all. I don't know why, but for precaution, I'm gonna do it. There's not permanent spot. We're still remodeling, so yeah. But it's gonna help us out the most because it's a lot of cooking and easy options, and I'm loving this.
On bake, you can lower the temperature, but you can't raise it. It doesn't work. Half the numbers are glowing, so you don't really know what temperature you're on. On the function, you can only go forward. You can't go backwards. On air fry, you can't bring up the temperature, but you can lower the temperature.
This is a total disaster. I do not recommend for you to buy it. The seller sends you a used for new. When you send it back, they won't give you money back. They say this is used. They're playing games. I don't recommend this company at all.
Oldest homes in America. We're talking 200, 300, 400 years ago. Oh, this is an easy one.